What's up, YouTube? It's getting cold outside here in New York, so we're going to talk about blowing out the sprinkler system today. There's three major components that we need. You're going to need an air compressor, an air hose, and a contraption that connects to wherever your sprinkler system is connected to so we can blow it out. First, you need to turn off the water valve going to your sprinkler system. I already did this early in the day. Mine is in the boiler room. It usually be somewhere close where your main water comes in. My compressor is a 28 gallon. It usually blows out one zone with one charge, and then it got to recharge every time I do the next zone. If you have a smaller compressor, you might have to do a zone multiple times. But so long as it's not too small, you should be fine. Alright, let's go to the next step. This is the contraption that I made to connect to the sprinkler system. This end connects to the compressor, and I added a valve so you can turn it on and off. And then this end connects to the spigot where my sprinkler system is. All these parts are readily available on Home Depot, so you can make it yourself. To get started to blow out your system, you need to select a zone. So you would select zone 1 first, turn it on, turn the system on, and that will open up the valve in your manifold. Now it's going to be blowing out. Now let the system run until all the water's out of your heads, and they go pop back into the grass. See over there, there's no more water coming out. The middle one's only a little bit. Furthest one still has a decent amount of water coming out. As you can see, the head popped back in. All these heads pop back in. And we're pretty much done with this zone. Once you're done blowing out the zone, come back, turn it off, and proceed to the next zone. And continue doing this until you're all done with all your zones. I just finished blowing out zone 4, so I'm going to turn it off. Put it back to the settings it was at, and I'm going to turn on zone 5. Then I'm turning up the valve to blow out the system. Zone 5 is blowing out. The sprinkler head is done. I believe this is the last one in the line. Alright, it's all done. And I'm going to turn the valve back off. Turn the valve back off. If you thought this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about motorcycles, tech, review, and videos just like this. Thank you, and see you soon.